Hey, glow-getters! It's Renee, your skincare expert, here to save your parched skin from feeling like a dry desert. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hydration with a superpower product, Hydrating Serums. They're like a tall glass of water for your face. So let's get those hydration levels up and that glow on point. Why hydrating serums matter. Alright, so here's the thing. Moisturizers are great for sealing in moisture, but hydrating serums, they're the real MVPs. They're lightweight, super concentrated, and they dive straight into your skin to drench it with moisture from the inside out. Think of them as your skin's personal hydration coach. Here are some top hydrating serums you need to try. The ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. If you're looking for a budget-friendly hydrating solution that works like magic, this serum is your go-to. It instantly boosts moisture, plumps the skin, and improves texture, delivering a luxurious, spa-like glow without breaking the bank, while being effective and suitable for all skin types. CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Developed with dermatologists, this serum delivers next-level hydration, restoring your skin barrier, locking in moisture, and leaving it soft and smooth. Its non-comedogenic, fragrance-free formula makes it ideal for sensitive skin. Vicky Mineral 89 Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Infused with 89% Vichy volcanic water, this powerful serum delivers deep hydration, strengthens the skin, and locks in moisture for a radiant, dewy glow. Its gentle, refreshing formula instantly revitalizes your skin, leaving it feeling amazing. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum. This gem offers affordable, effective hydration, instantly smoothing and nourishing dry skin. Its oil-free, lightweight formula absorbs quickly, making it perfect for rushed mornings when you need reliable, fuss-free moisture. Pro tip: after cleansing and toning, apply a few drops of serum to your face and neck. Let it absorb for a minute or two, then follow with your moisturizer to lock in hydration whenever your skin feels thirsty. And that's your hydration game plan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay glowing.